Apple built its entire identity around a specific model of product development. Design in secret, perfected completely, ship it when it's flawless, repeat. That model produced the Mac and the iPhone and the App Store and it made Apple one of the most valuable companies in the world. But that model has three requirements that AI completely destroys. First, you need a defined, shippable endpoint. Hardware has that. Software products increasingly don't have that. AI models don't have an endpoint. They evolve continuously. Apple's culture was never built for products that never actually finished. Second, you need tight control over the user experience. Apple has always maintained that control by owning the stack, the chips, the operating system, the software, the device. AI breaks that model because the best AI requires external data, external compute, and external model training. You can't build a hyper-competitive language model in a walled garden. The garden is the main issue. And third, the model requires time. Apple's process is slow by design because slow and perfect beats fast and flawed when the product is a physical device. But an AI, fast and improving, beats slow and perfect almost every time. The feedback loops are way too compressed. Waiting for perfection means arriving to a market that's already moved on. And there's also a privacy dimension here that deserves way more honesty than it usually gets. Apple's privacy commitments are very real and not just marketing. In 24 Pew Research studies found that 79% of Americans are genuinely concerned about how their personal data gets used. Apple built a brand around being the company that wouldn't exploit that data. And that brand is worth something very tangible and very real. But AI is trained on data. The more data, the better the model, which isn't an opinion. It's just how the stuff mathematically works.